Hi guys, this week I want to talk about the 5 main reasons why PDF is not going away for now. Check. Is the microphone on? Okay, I think we're ready. That's right guys, this week I want to talk about my 5 reasons why PDF is not going away as a delivery medium for many organisations. This came about because purely this last week I've been helping an organisation who wants to understand the benefits of a specification driven approach to their tech data. Right now they produce in Word, they deliver out PDF and everyone's happy. But they want to try and maximise some of the other benefits of using an XML-based strategy for the production of their tech data. And they are in a mindset that PDF is good enough. Now, they've got some smart guys that can understand the benefits that specifications bring, but they've got people in their organisation that say, well, we do PDF, it's working, our customers are happy, and we can deliver it really cheaply and easily. So this got me thinking, because this is a common trait. Many organisations believe PDF is good enough. And of course we can deliver PDF from specification-driven data. But if your motivation for moving from, say, Word to Ditta is so you can produce PDFs, I would suggest you rethink that strategy, because it's a little bit, of course you can do it, but it seems a bit of an expensive way of producing PDFs. Using specifications gives you many more benefits, and that's beyond the scope of this presentation, because I want to focus on the 5 reasons why organisations are entrenched in their PDFs and why they like their PDFs and why there is a resistance to adopt things like IETPs. So first and foremost, number 1, PDF is cheap. It's affordable. We can produce it really quickly. We can produce it with low-level skills. We can produce it with all major software platforms that are available on your local PC that you buy from your local PC store. You can now file, print, PDF, job done, send it to somebody else. It's done. And there's no specialist skills required for creating things like Ditta maps or S1000D publication modules, where you need to structure the data so you can achieve your data output in PDF. So that's number 1. It's cheap and it's affordable. Number 2, it's widely supported. All of my devices that I have in this office, and there's probably about 4 or 5 lying around, will open PDF, and you can zoom in, zoom out, you can navigate, click, look at bookmarks, all of those wonderful things. And it works, so it's pretty much cross-device. They will open and work pretty much everywhere. Now the great thing as well is that if I want to have a PDF deliverable, most people have to install Acrobat Reader, unless you're lucky enough to have pro licenses of Acrobat, which gives you lots of other benefits. But Acrobat Reader is free. There's no license requirement for you to have to keep buying licenses so people in your organisation can look at those PDFs. Unlike a specification-driven approach, if you're delivering an IETP, unless you've got a relationship with your vendor where you get free licenses, there are license implications, there are costs, there are number of user restrictions, those kind of things. So that really is another reason why people say, well, we'll just deliver PDF. We can do this, and it's cross-browser, it works everywhere. Number 3, our users have got used to how PDF works. I can give a PDF to my 70-year-old father and to my 18-year-old son, and they know how to navigate them. They know how to open and close the bookmark columns. They know how to get the thumbnails. They know how to search. They know how to extract pages. Our users know how to use a PDF. There's no training requirement in essence anymore on how we deliver a PDF. So we can just give it to them, and in general, they can pick it up, they can use it, they can navigate it, they can access the information, they can search, they can click hyperlinks, they can do all of those wonderful things. So our users have got used to it. Number 4 is an interesting one, because I believe that in the field of tech data, engineering data, like where we are in the aerospace, defense and space sector, I believe we're at a crossroads from moving from that printed manual right the way up to our fully interactive, maybe smart devices type data. And we're at that purely because our engineers are maybe aging a little bit in their careers. They're becoming more seasoned, which they are used to working with their old style printed manuals. And they are used to their APs, their AESPs, their BRs, whatever it might be, whatever your organization delivers. They're used to that. And PDF means that we can mirror that on screen. They're used to how they can access these paper books, but now we can give them those paper books, but on a screen. We can't always do that with IETPs. Functionality is in a slightly different place. Data is a little bit harder to find. I heard a great term this week on a YouTube channel that I follow, a photography YouTube channel, and they were doing a critique of some software. And the young lady doing the critique actually used a term that I thought that actually applies to our industry. And she just said, when I'm using this software, I feel like I'm going on a digital walkabout. I don't know where I'm going or how to get there. And sometimes we run into that within the tech data sector. And that got me thinking about another tutorial, which we will do in the future. So 1, it's cheap, it's affordable. 2, it's widely supported. 3, our users have got used to it. 4, it's the closest thing that we have got to a printed manual that our aging engineers can access and use. Yes, the younger generation in general are more familiar with how the web works and those look and feel information channels, but the older engineers like the feel of their ATA manuals, they like the feel of their AFPs. You get the idea. Number 5, there are vendors out there that do funky things with PDF. You can embed things like 3D in your PDF. There are organizations, I won't mention the name, but I was at an organization not too far away from our office here, where they are, they're the Type 45 guys. They've done some funky things with PDF. So you come into the PDF and you have a graphical interface and you click on the system and it takes you automatically to where you want to be. And it looks great. Their end users love it. They know how PDF works. So you can do funky things with PDF. But ultimately, underlying everything I've said, PDF works, guys. It works. You know, that's why we have to try and sell the benefits of using specifications beyond PDF, because we can create PDF really cheaply, really easily, with low-level skills in lots of different softwares. We can get funky with it. If you're trying to sell a product, your IET product, over PDF, you will lose. You have to sell the other benefits that come in association with using XML-driven data, using specification data. Of course, if you want your PDF, you can still do it from specifications. But if that is your only motivation for moving to specifications so you can create a nice PDF, rethink that thought process. So I hope you found that interesting. I'm going to continue to support this client through his education of his team on what he can gain from using XML-driven data. And yes, you can still have your PDF and you can get all of these benefits too, which you can't get by using PDF. So I hope you enjoyed it. We're going to add some more like this to the members area. So head on over to the members area and create your free account. We've already added, I think last week, I think Lewis put up another couple of tutorials that we'd recorded. They've gone up there. I hope you like it. Please do share and send it to your TD professional colleagues, your managers, all those guys. I know that the majority of you are watching this through our website because YouTube is blocked within your organization. I'm Michael Ingledew. I hope you found these 5 things interesting. We have some new tutorials coming up this week. We're doing one, I believe we've bought some models, and we're going to start going through S1000 decodification versus DITA versus, you get the idea. So hop over, create your free account. Hope you found this interesting. Back in the office this week, so we should be able to clear some of these backlog emails that have come in, and look forward to your continued support.